I'm ready to light my first deepam.
Steady, little one.
Flowers make the light even happier. Everything must be pure and peaceful.
Tonight is a night of blessings.
The river! The river! It's so beautiful.
Let it go. Light finds its way.
Please don't go out.
Children of light.
What's happening? Wait. Come back!
Where there is love, I dwell.
I wish our family stays together forever. Look! A heart! She blessed us.
Light guides all hearts.
Our home is shining! Karthika Masam is the month of love.